it's Raquel Bowman here, and today I'm sharing with you a new product from Sizzix Lifestyle, and I'm loving it. So it is a paper sculpting kit, and this is perfect for if you are a die cutter who cuts out lots of florals or things that love that bit of dimension like I do, then you can use this to help you. So I'll go through what's included and tell you a little bit about it as we go. So the kit just comes in a plastic covering, and you've got your tools at the top and then the things that are going to support how to sculpt your die cut pieces. So I'm such I can be so materialistic, but I adore these scissors. I think it's because of, you know, obviously they're white and I like white if you've looked at any of my projects on Instagram or here. But I also love this minty colour. I just think they're really nice, and you can never have too many pairs of scissors, so I like these. So these are just regular scissors. They're a good size. They're similar size to like your Cutterby scissors that you might have seen before. Just a perfect size, and obviously they've got a good grip on them as well. So that's those. Then in here we have some tweezers, and they've got like a protective cap on there to hold it together, and then obviously you just pinch, and they're quite fine. It's got quite a fine tip on it, which is good. Picking up those intricate bits and pieces that we die cut all the time. And then there's 3 tools. So if I have a look here, I'll be able to tell you exact measurements and things. Oh, I didn't realise. I've just realised what's on the other end of this one. So this is a 10mm Stylus tool. But then there's also, and this is what I didn't realise, there's a quilling tool on the other side. So if you want to add some extra something to a project, then you can add quilling, because there's a quilling tool there. So there's that one. Then there is an 8mm stylus and a 5mm. Depending on the size of the florals, I've used mainly this 5mm one. Then there's a super tiny fine detail 2mm one, and then just like a pointer, I guess. I don't know what you'd actually call. It's just called a fine detail tool on this, but I actually used this the other day for just poking out my bits that were stuck into the die. If I don't have the die brush handy, then that would be a good tool to use. Then we have a detail moulding pad and a regular moulding pad. Now I haven't actually used this detailed moulding pad yet, but I'm guessing that if you have a more intricate die cut piece, then you might choose to use that one, or then you've got this mat here. So what I'm going to do is insert a couple of pictures into here just to show you how I used these tools recently. So I was cutting out some florals for a layout, and I wanted to get that you know, dimensional look to them, and the Stylus Tools made that super easy. So all I had to do was pop my floral onto the moulding mat, and then use the Stylus tool, depending on what size your die cut is, to what size stylus you would want to use, and then you just simply sort of rub around the edges, and that stylus combined with the mat create and add this dimension and this bend to them that doesn't look harsh. It just is so beautiful. So you could use this on leaves or florals, or what else, anything that you want to add that nice sort of folded in look to, that dimension to. So that is the paper sculpting kit. You can check out more about this kit at sizzixlifestyle.co.uk, and I'll leave you just with a couple of photos at the end. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye.